Science with 3. Application of heat. In this experiment, we did lighter, spoon and crayon, and candle. Step number 2. Crush the crayon and put it in the spoon. Step number 3. Using a lighter, light the candle and heat the spoon containing the crushed crayon.
Ibaba mo konti.
Step number 4. Observe what happens to the light candle. Number 5. Put off the light candle carefully by blowing air on it. Step number 6. Let the heat materials stand for 2 to 3 minutes. That's the end. I will now write my observation here. See you again soon.